This look I have on my face today, I actually did it in under 15 minutes. I think I had like 6 or 7 minutes left on the clock. I'm doing a timed makeup series, and I feel like this is sort of a continuation of my makeup for beginners. And I really wanted to do this series because you might not have that much time, or given the amount of time you have, to see like what your makeup can look like or what you can get done in that time period. I do my makeup a lot, so I can probably get more done in 15 minutes than someone who's like super new to makeup, which is fine. I feel like the more you do it, the better you'll get at it, the quicker you will get at it. But I'm just gonna show you like what my 15-minute makeup looks like. Foundation, concealer, setting powder, bronzer, blush, brows, a little bit of eyeshadow, and a lip. That's it. So I'm going to set my timer here. Started my timer, y'all. So we're about to start doing our makeup. This Amicole skin tint is really nice. So when you are in a time crunch, you wanna like reach for things that you know without a doubt work for you. And this is one of those products for me. I just got that Bristol all up my nose, like touching my brain, I feel like. So this is one of those products for me. I feel like I'm low-key might have time left, but you know, you just started, so don't jinx yourself, girl. I'm using my tried and true Instant Age Rewind. And at this point, we don't have time to like stop and blend one. We're gonna blend them both at the same time. Y'all know I usually do one at a time. I usually use a brush. It's a really small brush, but because I am trying to get this done, I am going to use a beauty blender because it'll cover more space. Well, this isn't a beauty blender, this is a Real Technique sponge. Y'all see how beauty blender got us brainwashed into thinking like they are the only beauty sponge out there? This is the Say Sun Melt Bronzer. Again, products that you know work no matter what. And this is one of my favorite bronzers. I don't have to work that much with it, and it just looks so effortless no matter what. So this is the one I'm gonna reach for. So we have our bronzer down. I'm using a powder blush, so I can go ahead and put my setting powder on. Make sure we don't have no creases. Okay. I think we're making good time. All right. Our setting powder is done. Now I need a little bit of blush. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame blush, but it has a highlight in the middle. So it's kind of gonna be like a double whammy, like my highlight and my blush all in one. So when you're short on time, try to find those products that are gonna do double work for you. Okay, blush is done. Now I'm gonna do my brows. This is my Kevyn Aucoin brow gel. Well, the True Feathered Brow Duo. I am scared. I think they might have discontinued it, or they just don't have a lot of inventory of it, because this is not on their website anymore, and I went to go buy one and I was like traumatized. But you can find it like at Neiman's or Saks. That's where I picked up an extra one. So my brow gel, my brow pen, all in one. My brows aren't going to be super perfect because I'm running short on time, but this is a product where you don't have to like really nitpick too much. And I've been kind of like letting my brows grow out and be like a little bit more wild lately. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Desert Haze Quad. Only 4 shades in here, so I'm gonna use this brown shade here and get that going in my crease. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange shade, same brush, we don't got time, and I'm gonna just sweep that over my lids. Just because I'm running short on time, I'm just gonna sweep it over my lids just so that my lid doesn't look naked. All right, so now I'm going to put on a mascara. No lashes today, we don't have the time. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara, and this is their newest iteration of it in the Cosmic Black. It's supposed to have like little black or little flecks of glitter in it. I can't really tell, to be honest with you, so you take what you will from that. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line. I don't always do this step, but if I'm running short on time, I will try to add a little extra where I can, since I'm already here, like just to make it look like I made more of an effort than I did. All right, moving on to our lips. We're almost done. This is the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the shade Rich Cocoa. One of my favorites. And then I'm gonna put on the Revlon Color Satin Ink lipstick and Eyes for You. It's, of course, a pinky nude, y'all. And I didn't pull out a gloss, but I have a gloss over here that I can use. This is the Flawless Forget the Filler Plumper in the shade Velvet. I really like these glosses. I need to get the big ones though, but because these little applicators annoy me. Y'all, I would just like to say I dusted that timer. I have 6 minutes and 10 seconds left. So take this time, sis, to do whatever like little finishing touch-ups you need to do. But that's my 15-minute done in like 10 minutes makeup. Like I said, I do my makeup a lot more than most people, I feel like. So, of course, I'm gonna be done a little bit quicker. So this is like what I typically look like a day in the office, like if I'm going into work. This is my makeup because I don't give myself enough time in the morning to get ready. So yeah, that's our finished look today, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed that little tutorial. I hope it was helpful for anybody out there that is new to makeup. If you're like really trying to be realistic, I feel like if you're short on time, you have 10-15 minutes, really just try to get like a clean base, so foundation, concealer, a little setting powder, and then focus on like what you want to focus on. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.